Hi everyone, I'm Sherman. This is my project on South Pontiac Way. I've been doing this flipping thing for 3 or 4 years. This is my 7th project, the biggest project by far, and I'm super excited how it turned out. Interesting things about the property. One, it was designed by a local architect, and there's only one other instance of it in all of Metro Denver. And shortly after I bought the house, I ran into a woman whose family built the house originally, and she grew up here. And she, of course, has had several owners since then, and she wanted to come in and see what it looked like. So she came in and we walked around and she said, "Oh, that wall used to be blue," and things like that. And she took me to this bathroom here and she said, "What do you think of the steam shower in here?" And I said, "The steam shower? I don't know anything about it." So she walked in and there were some buttons on the wall, and she pushed them and said, "Well, let's see if it still works." And then she and I walked around to other parts of the house and then came back 10 minutes later and steam was billowing out of the room. Of course, it was not really functioning, so we took it out, we redesigned the bathroom. It looks really cool now. But that was a fun story about the house.